Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I am going to teach you where is YouTube Shorts drafted. Okay, so without further delay, let's get started on the video. So you can see on my YouTube, and let me show you YouTube Shorts. First of all, let me make a YouTube Shorts draft. Okay, here I am going to create a short. I choose this. Okay, I add this. It's going processing. Okay, wait some times. Click on this and let me type something. Okay, subscribe to my channel, guys. Subscribe to my channel. Okay, I type this, don't type this, I type this and just save as a draft. Okay, you see their short is got saved on for YouTube Shorts. So the question is, where is that YouTube Shorts saved, YouTube Shorts draft saved? Okay, so for this all you have to do is just go on YouTube and again click on plus icon and click on short. And that draft will be here, will come here. Okay, you see, this is this is the one way how you assess your YouTube Shorts draft. And another is by going YouTube Shorts. It may take some time. You can just directly search here from draft. It may take some time. From here, so it's not showing here. It may take some time. Okay, that is how you assess YouTube Shorts draft. I hope you like this video.